Hello and welcome. In this video, I would like to show you how you can make Mozilla Firefox your default browser. As you can see on my computer, I have several browsers. I have Firefox, I have Chrome, and I have Microsoft Edge. However, my current default browser is Microsoft Edge, and I would like to change it to Firefox. So to make Firefox your default browser, what you need to do is to go to your Start menu and then search for default apps. And here the default apps option on our system setting. Click on it, and here you'll see a list of default apps on your computer. However, we are interested in browser, the web browser, and as you can see, Microsoft Edge is set as the default browser under my web browsers. To change it, just click on it and select the one you are interested in. For my case, I'll select Firefox. And you can see the changes have been effected here. And by that, Firefox has been made our default browser. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.